Get ready to upgrade your essentials with these must-have gadgets. Whether it's enhancing comfort, boosting convenience, or adding a touch of cool, these products have got it all. From sleek tech to everyday tools. Lock down your space, because peace of mind should never be optional. This heavy-duty, adjustable jammer turns your door into a fortress, stopping intruders in their tracks. Whether you're home, in an apartment, or on the road, just set it up in seconds. From front doors to sliding patios, its reinforced stoppers grip tight, while the sleek white finish keeps things stylish. Tough, reliable, and always on guard. Safety starts here. Small but mighty, this magnetic Bluetooth speaker is ready to stick, play, and impress. Snap it onto your iPhone, slap it on your fridge, or mount it in your golf cart. MagSafe compatible and built to go anywhere. Despite its mini size, this speaker is great at delivering crystal clear sound with a seamless wireless connection. Perfect for music calls or setting the vibe wherever you are. A car freshener that spins with the sun? Now that's a game changer. This sleek solar-powered air purifier keeps your ride smelling fresh without needing batteries or charging. Just pure sunlight and smooth rotation. No wall charger? No problem. Harness the sun's energy and stay powered up, whether you're camping on the road or prepping for the unexpected. Power has never been so easy to take with you. With the Anker Powerbank Station Solix C300, a massive 90,000 mAh capacity and a 300-watt solar generator. This portable beauty is designed to keep all your devices charged when you're out in the wild or at home. Equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery, it ensures long-lasting, reliable power with top-notch safety. A suitcase you can ride? Yep, that's exactly what this smart rideable suitcase brings to the table. This electric luggage scooter lets you zip through airports in style, blending convenience with pure fun. With a sleek black design, built-in motor, and smart controls, travel just got way more exciting. Why drag your bag when you can ride it instead? Oh, a nightstand that does more than just hold your stuff. The smart floating nightstand is here to upgrade your space with built-in LED lighting and wireless charging. This sleek, modern design keeps your essentials within reach while adding a futuristic touch to your bedroom. Perfect for young people who want style, function, and a clutter-free setup, all in one. Turn your food into a canvas with the handheld food PrintPen. This portable mini printer lets you add custom designs to lattes, macarons, cookies, and more, all with just a tap. Using Bluetooth 4.2, you can easily upload designs and print directly onto your favorite treats. Whether you're a barista, baker, or just love making food fun, this gadget takes creativity to the next level. Let's talk about lighting up your world in a whole new way with this collapsible candle lantern. Whether you're camping, chilling in the backyard, or embracing the wild outdoors, this lantern brings that perfect touch of cozy, flickering warmth to your night. Just fold it up, pop it in your bag, and you're ready to roll. No bulky lanterns taking up space. This one's sleek. It's candle-powered, which means it's not just about light, it's about bringing that old-school glow back with style and ease. Tired of reaching for your phone, snacks, or late-night book in the abyss of your bed? It's time to win that battle against clutter. This clever little tray slides right under your mattress, creating a sleek, space-saving perch for your essentials. Forget messy nightstands. Now everything you need is right at your fingertips, from your phone to your midnight snack stash. Perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, or anyone looking to elevate their bedroom game. Whether you're hosting a garden party or just want to add some extra glow to your space, these waterproof solar tiki torches are the perfect touch. Your backyard will look so good. These aren't just your ordinary garden lights. These 6 solar-powered lights stand a towering 43 inches tall and flicker with a realistic flame effect that will have your space radiating with tropical energy. Whether you're a gardening pro or just starting out, this raised garden bed is the perfect way to elevate your planting game. With its self-watering feature, your plants get the hydration they crave, while the trellis structure lets your tomatoes, cucumbers, and vines grow up high. Built with rolling wheels, this raised garden bed makes it super easy to move around and find the perfect spot in your yard or patio. Imagine a lamp that listens, adapts, and transforms your space with just your voice. This smart RGB LED floor lamp isn't just about lighting, it's about setting the perfect mood. With Alexa and Google Home compatibility, 2,000 lumens of brightness, and endless color options, your living room or bedroom just got a serious upgrade. Get ready for movie nights like never before. This outdoor projector delivers crisp native 1080p visuals, paired with powerful JBL sound for an immersive experience. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, streaming is smoother than ever, whether you're indoors or taking the entertainment outside. And thanks to its built-in battery, you can ditch the cords and set up anywhere. Just grab your favorite flick and let the big screen magic begin. Crystal clear windows with zero effort? This next-gen window cleaning robot tackles grime with triple nozzle water spraying, all while charging as it works. With 12 levels of protection, it clings to glass like a pro, leaving a streak-free shine every time. Say goodbye to sketchy ladder climbs, just sit back and let the WinBot handle the hard work. Let's bring some energy to your walls. If you're into gaming or just love showing off your creative side, this Wi-Fi-enabled digital frame sports a stunning LED panel, giving you the ability to display everything from pixel art to live social media feeds. Whether you're looking to decorate your gaming room or add a personal touch to your space, this is the frame that lets you do it all. Whether you're relaxing, working, or sleeping, this standing fan ensures you stay cool and comfortable. You can customize your experience with 8 speeds, 3 modes, and an 8-hour timer, all controlled effortlessly with the included remote. Plus, it's adjustable to suit your needs, perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere you want to feel the breeze. This fan covers every corner of your room, delivering a refreshing breeze with a quiet DC motor that keeps noise at bay. And just like that, your setup just got smarter, cooler, and way more efficient. Whether it's power, precision, or pure convenience, these finds have you covered. Stay tuned, because the next drop is always around the corner.